Good morning and thank you for joining us for Thursday's Daily Market Outlook. Joining me today is Greg from our trading room to tell us more about recent developments. Greg.
The US dollar rose against major currencies as data supported market expectations of a Federal Reserve interest rate cut, while the pound sterling fell amid a sell-off in British government bonds. The S&P 500 and Nasdaq closed up, lifted by gains in tech stocks and news of a trade agreement between the US and Vietnam that helped ease concerns about an extended trade war. Nasdaq rose, boosted by Nvidia, Apple and Tesla. Oil prices rose 3% as Iran suspended cooperation with the UN nuclear watchdog and the US and Vietnam reached a trade deal. But a surprise build in US crude supplies limited price gains somewhat. The euro-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The dollar-yen pair made a minor upwards correction in the last session, gaining 0.1%. The Williams indicator is giving a positive signal. The gold gained 0.5% against the dollar in the last session. The ROC is giving a negative signal. Amazon stock saw a minor fall of 0.2% in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal. Japan's overall household spending will be released at 23:30 GMT. The US continuing jobless claims at 12:30 GMT. The French 10Y bond auction at 8:50 GMT. Australia's imports will be released at 1:30 GMT. Japan's Jibun Bank Services PMI at 0:30 GMT. Australia's exports at 1:30 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed our Thursday's Market Outlook. And on behalf of us all here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to log in tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.